welcome back to MaryMayChannel. Wait, MaryMayKitchen. Okay, so I'm Mary, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Like this video, comment, and share to all your friends. Okay, and let's grow M&M fam. Okay, so yes guys, so today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen, so that means I'm going to do a cooking video. So yeah, today basically I'm going to do something called Churros. So I'm not like, I'm not sure about the pronunciation, yeah, but yeah, I think it's Churros. But in case I'm mistaken it, guys, don't judge me. Okay, so yeah, it's simple, and I saw it on TikTok. Yes sir, so I saw it on TikTok and I was like, well, you know, I should try and do it. It seems simple, and yeah, let's get started. final product, guys. Like, oh my goodness, look. So I'm going to try one. Do you know what? I'm going to try this here. I'm going to try this on camera for you guys. So yeah, guys, it's crunchy, it's tasty, it's good. It's so good. So I need to stop. Okay, I need to stop. It's so good. Right. Guys, it's yummy. It was nice cooking with you. Okay, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching it. So for me, it was my first time, to be honest, and yeah, let's say good overall. Okay, just good. So try it, let me know, comment down below and like it, because guys, just like it. Right, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yes guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in. So see you on my next video. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.